Here are the best Forex brokers in the USA in 2025. I'm Noah.
And I'm Justin. We've been running Compare Forex Brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking to the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex trends.
In this video, we review the very best Forex brokers in the USA in 2025. All right, Justin, let's get into it. USA, strange market, but huge market. There have been some changes this year. We're going to detail them in this video now. Maybe let's start with number one. Who did we recommend as the very best Forex broker in the USA in 2025?
Sure. I just quickly want to specify that our list in 2025 is only regulated brokers in the USA. There's less than 10 of them. We've listed all 10 and we've evaluated all 10. So that's really important to mention.
Yep.
And based on this list, we found this year that Oanda was the clear winner. The primary reason that they were the winner was based on their trading fees. So most USA traders choose something called a standard account, also known as a non-commission account. And that's when the spread, which is basically the buy and the ask. So let's say you go to an airport and you see that, we'll buy, let's say, the euro and we'll sell. It's a different rate. That's the way that...
At like a currency exchange.
Yeah, currency exchange, exactly. So that's the way that you'd expect they're making the money. It's the same for broker. It's that difference. And what we found is you can actually look, we've got every month we update it, and what we found is that Oanda have the lowest spreads for this type of an account. So therefore, trading fees are one of the biggest factors of long-term trader success.
Yep.
Because they're making so many frequent trades. It eats into that. So we like that with Oanda. Then there's a few other factors. They're one of the most trusted brokers. We actually named it the 2025 most trusted based on the fact that they're based in the US, the fact that they have the most regulation,
Yep.
very strong foundations. And the third one is, their trading platform, their own trading platform, very easy to use, or you can use MetaTrader 4. It's kind of up to you, but we like their trading platform and customer service experience. So it's kind of a few criteria. You can see our whole scoring in our methodology section, but Oanda scored the highest when we combined all these things, and therefore we're recommending Oanda in 2025.
Okay, exactly like 2024 basically, so no changes so far. At number two, we had Forex.com, also known as City Index in other markets around the world, but Forex.com, household name, similar to Oanda in the world of Forex trading, particularly in the US. Tell us why we had Forex.com at number two.
Sure, so let's switch this fees conversation. Most US traders will like the standard account, which has no commissions, but some traders, especially those that will use automation, scalping, these types of elements, they like to have it where the spreads are as low as possible, led by the market, so the broker doesn't make any money, and then there's a fixed commission. And when we compare those types of accounts, City Index was the winner. And it's the winner for that across a wide range of markets. So City Index offers US traders more markets than the other brokers that we've mentioned. So it's this combination of offering more markets, but then having lower spreads if you're looking for a commission-based account, which is why we think City Index deserves to be second just behind Oanda.
Okay, so number two was Forex.com. Not City Index.
Sorry,
Forex.com.
Depends on your market. Thank you for that.
So Forex.com at number two, Oanda at number one. At number three, we have IG, but they have a new name now. Why don't you talk about who we have at number three and why they're third?
Sure. So over the last 12 months, IG in the US only changed their name to Tasty FX. Look, the broker remains the name. It's a rebranding as that. So you're still going to get your fundamentals of IG as the trust factor. They still have relatively fair fees compared to the other brokers. Again, you can look at our methodology to see how they kind of rank mid-tier compared to the other brokers. The thing that we like about IG is they really were designed for people new to trading. So this whole onboarding experience, and having a low minimum deposit, having customer support to actually join. So what we've tried to do is we're trying to get as many new employees to join these accounts, because obviously Norm and I, we have our own accounts.
Yep.
But we're probably a bit too experienced to understand the process for a newbie. But certainly when we've had one or two of our employees that are new to trading go through the experience, they've said that IG were exceptional in onboarding, making those first few trades. When they had issues, they could get support. When they need a bit of educational material.
The live chat particularly, are very, like the people that you speak on live chat, are very well equipped to handle trade-related queries and questions, particularly if you're a beginner.
Yeah, exactly. And the educational element, educational is probably one of the best in the industry of the US regulated brokers. So you've got a solid foundation, which is exactly what a beginner trader is looking for. So if you're new to trading, I would recommend IG.
Okay.
Which is now TastyFX.
Correct. All right, so that's Tasty/IG at number 3, Forex.com/City Index, depending on your market, at number 2, Oanda at number 1. We do have a special mention broker, and that's Interactive Brokers. Again, not for everyone, but do you want to tell everyone why we have Interactive Brokers on this list as well?
Sure. So Interactive Brokers, we like, because Noam and I, again, we both have our own trading account that we actively trade on, and it's really great for stockbroking. So, the key difference is that most actual experienced share traders use Interactive Brokers because of the fees. Mm-hmm. The trading platform is horrendously bad. Okay,
difficult to use.
Impossible to use. Okay, and we're just saying it right there. If you're a beginner, intermediate, not worth it. If you're looking to do international trades, let's say I'm very big on trading Alibaba, these Chinese shares. Check last year's video, you can see me still talking it up back then. And all of that, you can buy it on the US, but I'm also buying it through the Hong Kong exchange.
Yep.
And the key thing to understand is there's a trading fees, but there's also the exchange fees. And most of the brokers, the way they get you is they give you a horrible currency conversion fee. So by the time you go from the USD to the Hong Kong dollar, you're not getting a good exchange, and then you need to buy. So these are the advantages of Interactive Brokers. They offer the most markets when it comes to being able to buy shares, and it gives you great currency conversion fees to be able to move across to other markets. Now, they do offer, Forex trading, and that is why they're listed on this website. But to be honest, it's so difficult to use. Their platform was never truly designed for it. I personally, I've never used them for Forex. It's just too difficult. But if you're looking to trade shares, obviously we're both with Interactive Brokers, so that's worth a special mention.
The onboarding process with Interactive Brokers is particularly painful. Once you get there though, it is great if you do have a bit of experience trading, particularly if you're gonna buy and hold, but even if you are gonna day trade, you can't beat their fees. Mm-hmm. So that's why we say, best broker for fees, for low fees, but we add a disclaimer to that you do have to be an expert broker, an expert trader, in order to take full advantage of Interactive Brokers. All right, Justin, let's just quickly summarize for everyone back at home. So at number 4, we have Interactive Brokers. Again, best broker for low trading fees. Again, they are tailored more towards expert traders that have a lot of experience on the markets. At number 3, we had TastyFX, formerly known as IG. At number 2, Forex.com, or City Index in some other markets. And at number 1, we have Oanda as our overall most trusted Forex broker in the world. Do you want to add anything before we sum up?
Just remember, Oanda, open the standard account that they offer. They have no commissions, and you'll really like the customer service that comes along with their service.
There you have it, guys. All the very best Forex brokers in the USA in 2025. If you want to find out more information about these brokers, we've added the links to each one and to our website in the description down below, so that you guys can proceed to sign up to the brokers, or you can read a little bit more about them on our website. If there are any other things that you'd like to ask us, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends about us, and if there are any other videos you'd like us to create for you in 2025 to help you along your trading journey, don't hesitate to let us know. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.